Here is my garden. You see, in this garden we have a lot of things. We have more than 20 crops here, but you can't see it because corn is visible. Then we harvest the corn, you see a lot of things inside this place. What a man can do. No, 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 let me just keep quiet. See, 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 see. Oh my gosh, I love this car. I love this car. This sack that you're seeing, they are wheat. I gather my wheat. I want to decompose them in order to use them for planting. Decompose wheat, decompose wheat, decomposing. I don't you know I'm not good for you. This is moringa. Moringa. Gracious coconut. This set are the first one that I planted, and they're giving me a lot of babies. La 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 la. What? Punky. This is punky. Punky plant. This is home garden. Let's call it home garden. This gardening now, I decided to put corn so that I can be able to feed my animals with it. La la la. I don't want to be buying animals feed because the animals feed these days are very very expensive. So I want to be using part of it to be feeding my guinea fowl. Then I'll consume the rest. Sense or no sense? Sense or no sense? This is my first time. Let me just give you the little story about this my garden. The first year I planted nothing but grass. The second year I planted a lot of tomatoes because of the and cabbage because of the grass grew more than the cabbage and the tomatoes. I ended up getting just a little piece. This year I started it early. I started it during dry season and I started watering it so that before the grass grew, my plant is already up. Now look at the plant is going up and the grass is down. And another thing that helped me for the grass control is I release my guinea I release my little guinea pigs. I release my geese. I release my um guinea fowl. They are eating the grass. They are the ones that cut all this grass down. You see, they cut all the grass. They're feeding on grass. All those animals are feeding on grass. So the plants are growing tall and they cannot damage this one because of the grass. They are just feeding on the grass. They have enough food down to concentrate on rather than attacking the main plant. So this is how I got here. I was able to have a little, it's not that perfect, but if you can see from the ground, it's a little bit better. Yeah, you see, the floor is not that. Mm-hmm. Yep, look at this one. Look at it. These are the works of guinea fowl and guinea pigs. They eat the ground. You won't understand what I'm talking about. Let's just go. Maybe I can be able to catch those things that are clearing the ground. They are cutting the grass. Let's go there. I hope they are not going to run. Anyway, they are not afraid of me. We are friends. We aren't enemy. Now check. Did you see the little ones? Can you see them? Say hello. Say hello. Can you see them? These are people that are operating the ground. You can see. Can you see somebody here? Oh, they escape from their net. I allow them to move freely and do whatever they want to do. So look at them. They are the ones that are helping me. They are helping me a lot. You see? They are just enjoying themselves. So they clear all the grasses. They eat some of the grasses. You can see how they finish here. So we have mutual understanding between my babies. Look at the other one. Look at his stomach. Anyway, you can see, you see, you see. So this year is a success because there is a teamwork between me and my animals. You see all these things. You see how they ate this grass. They finish everywhere. So I'm gonna have something and I am happy because this is the beginning of my gardening. This one is a booster in my brain and we are going to have a lot more. I like growing things. You just put one seed on the ground, it grow and give you plenty seeds. That is all. Yeah, these are very real friends. Nature, you put little, they appreciate it, and they makes you happy. They make you happier. This line, don't worry, I will show you what I planted here very soon. Yep, by the time they started blooming, I'm going to take you to a garden tour very soon. But this is gardening. This is home gardening. I did not put majority. It's just that I have majority of corn, but that doesn't mean that I don't have other plants inside. But this one, I use it so that you have mutual understanding between my own, those people that give me fertilizer. Yep, my chickens give me fertilizer. Look at them. My animals give me fertilizer. You see, all these animals give me fertilizer. They give me fertilizer. They fertilize the land. Then I grow food for them because my aim is to have a very neat, good, and productive gardening. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to, you understand. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, my lovely people. Thank you. Goodbye. When my distance started growing, blooming, I'm going to show you. Oh, I will find a day to start showing you one after the other the names of the plants that I planted here. And I'm very happy that this rainy season is gonna give me a very big, you understand? Because look at it, I have a water tank here for my garden, but I'm not using this water tank. I'm keeping it for dry season. But this rainy season, heaven is blessing me, and I'm very happy, and I'm receiving the blessings with gratitude. Thank you.